Hello, I'm Yishuang from HarbinMandarin.com. Today we're going to learn how to tell time in Chinese. First, we'll cover telling time on the hour. To tell time on the hour, we simply put the numbers from 1 to 12 before 点. Please repeat after me. 点, 点, 点. For example, 1 o'clock is 一点. Is the number 1, 一 plus 点. 一点, 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 1 o'clock. For 2 o'clock, you might think it's 二点, but this one is an exception. 2 o'clock is not 二点. Instead, it's 两点. Chinese has two different ways of saying the number 2. 二, which you already know, and 两. R is used when counting, doing math, and saying a sequence of numbers like a phone number. It's not usually used with measure words. 两 is used with measure words. We'll talk about measure words more in another lesson. For now, you just need to remember that when telling time, if it's 2 o'clock, you should say 两点 instead of 二点. Please repeat after me. 两点两点 2 o'clock. 3 o'clock is 三点. It's the number 3, 三 plus 点. 三点三点三点 3 o'clock. Okay, now let's have a quiz. How do you say 7 o'clock in Chinese? Correct. 7 o'clock is 七点. It's the number 7, 七 plus 点. 七点七点七点 7 o'clock. How do you say 10 o'clock? Correct. 10 o'clock is 十点. It's the number 10, 十 plus 点. 十点十点十点 10 o'clock. How do you say 12 o'clock? That's right. 12 o'clock is 十二点. It's the number 12, 十二 plus 点. 十二点十二点十二点 12 o'clock. Okay, now let's learn how to add minutes to the hour. To add minutes to the hour, we simply put the numbers from 01 to 59 before 分. Please repeat after me. 分分分. For example, 7:05 is 七点零五分. It's the hour part 七点, 7 o'clock, followed by the minute part 零五分 05. Note that for the minute part, I said 0505 instead of 5. It's just like how in English you would say 7:05 instead of 7:5. In Chinese, if the number of minutes in the time is less than 10, you have to say 0 before the number. Please repeat after me. 七点零五分七点零五分七点零五分 7:05. 2:02 is 两点零二分. It's the hour part 两点 2 o'clock, followed by the minute part 零二分 02. Remember how when the hour part is 2, we have to say 两 instead of 二. When saying the minutes, we say 二 instead of 两. The reason for this is we are actually saying a sequence of numbers 0, 2, 02. 两 is never used in a sequence of numbers. If it's 2 o'clock, you say 两点. And if the minute part is 02, you say 零二分. Please repeat after me. 两点零二分2点02分2点02分 2:02. 8:17 is 8点17分. It's the hour part 8点, 8 o'clock, followed by the minute part 17分, 17 minutes. 8点17分. 8点17分. 8点17分, 8:17. 3:10 is 3点10分. It's the hour part 3点, 3 o'clock, followed by the minute part 10分, 10 minutes. 3点10分. 3点10分. 3点10分, 3:10. When telling the time, 分 can be omitted unless the minute part is 10 minutes. So for 7:05, the minute part is 5 minutes. So I could omit 分 and just say 7点05. This is also the case for 2:02 since the minute part is 2 minutes, and for 8:17 where the minute part is 17 minutes. However, in the case of 3:10, the minute part is 10 minutes, so 分 cannot be omitted. You have to say 3点10分. In case you're wondering why, whenever we tell the time in Chinese, we say at least 2 character numbers for the minutes. If the number of minutes is less than 10, we add 0 to make it 2 numbers, such as 05 or 02. If the number is greater than 10, we also say at least 2 character numbers, such as in 17. The number 10, 10, is the only case where you just say a 1 character number. If you stop at 10, it feels incomplete because people are waiting to hear another number. To make it sound complete, you have to say 分. Okay, now let's have a quiz. How do you say 6:07? Correct. 6:07 is 6点07分. It's the hour part 6点, 6 o'clock, followed by the minute part 07分, 07. 6点07分. 6点07分. 6点07分, 6:07. Since the minute part here is not 10, you can omit 分 and just say 6点07. How do you say 11:10? Correct. It's 11点10分. It's the hour part 11点, 11 o'clock, followed by the minute part 10分, 10 minutes. 11点10分. 11点10分. 11点10分, 11:10. Since the minute part here is 10 minutes, 分 cannot be omitted. How do you say 2:49? Correct. It's 2点49分. It's the hour part 2点, 2 o'clock, followed by the minute part 49分, 49 minutes. 2点49分. 2点49分.